Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As discussed earlier in the second video, setting up the login process and all those details. Like once you log in with the credentials that you set up and the username, you will be landing up in this developer edition arc. So like now whatever you are you like seeing on the screen, this is the app. Okay, the app name is Sales, and we do have different types of objects in this application. So this is a home screen where we usually see the like the dashboard kind of things, and like it will be consisting of built-in components that will be shown here. Okay, even you can edit this page. Once you click on this gear icon here, you will be getting something like edit page. So you will be having a capability to edit these details as well. So here like we as we like these are like standard objects, as well as like we can create the custom objects as well. So let me show like how you can able to create the custom objects. Like you first need to go to this, I mean click on this gear icon and click on this setup. It will be redirecting you to a other page. So here you can see the home screen where like these things, like you once you click search something in the quick find, we can able to find this in this. And the objects, like there we saw in the application, right, in the sales application. So those objects will be there in the object manager. Okay, so these are like the standard objects, those are like built-in standard objects that we usually get from in this org. So once I click on this first the account object, if I click on this object, we can see the details of this object as well as the fields and relationships. So this object is nothing but a data table. Like in a database, we do have a tables, like we will store that like details in a table, right? So like that in Salesforce we have a uh, object, and inside this we have this fields, right? These will be same as the columns in the data table. And the like we do store the values for the data table, right? That will be the records in this, like in the Salesforce we store it as a records. So here we have all the standard fields. Like for the field we'll be having label, name, data type, and like if something is a pick list values, and we do can create like controlling field and also the dependent fields. Those things are also available here. So one by one, let me explain to you guys. Like the first field is like account name. So this is like the field name is account name, data type will be the name. Like when we create any object, like the new object, automatically we will be creating one field. Like it will be creating automatically. Like either the data type will be either is like here we saw account name, right? It is created by default. And we do have something like auto number. Suppose for case I want to like when we create a case object, case number will be the auto generated one. So like that we have two fields, two data types of fields that will be automatically created. Suppose I want to store the details of a student, I will create a custom object like student. So when I normally, I will show you guys. Wait, sorry. Okay, this is an object manager. Whenever I want to create a new field, I should click on create button here, and it should be like a custom object. And I can enter details like student. The plural is like students. Yep. And object name will be student, and all this you see here. Enter record name, label, and format. This is like the record name, and data type is text. Suppose I can here select auto number as well. If you plan to insert a high volume of record in this object via the API, for example, use the text data type. So this is something that is there. And yeah, I can add all these things. If I didn't add this time, like later also I can edit these things. Okay, So allow search is also available. Like when we search with the object name, it should be like available. And optional features like allow reports, allow activities, track. All these details are like for other things as well. Like we can enable, or else like we can normally, um, for now we can just enter these details and we can click on save. Yeah. Actually, once we enter those details and once we click on the save, we will be landing up here in the next step. Like here, it will ask us to select some tab style because we'll be adding this object in the application, right? Those will be stored as a tabs. So I'm just now selecting something like globe here, and once I click on next, yeah, apply one tab visibility to all profiles. Like we do have something like default on or default off, like all these capabilities are there. So and also like we can make this available to all the profiles, or else we can apply like we can ensure this to only, visible only this to specific kind of profiles. Like now I want to show only to system administrator, then it should be default on, or else it should be default off, like this. So for now I'm just making it as on for everything. Let it be. And yeah, we can make this we do have a capability to include this tab to only particular applications. We can select here. Actually, if we select the default one, it will be selected for everything, for all the apps. So I can click on save now. Yeah, student, this custom object is created. And the fields and relationships we do will be these are the like the system created fields. Like these things will be automatically created. Okay, created by, last modified by owner. The student name is the one that we have got from the one, like we created the object, right? So at that time this name will be created automatically. And I can create a new field as well. Like I want to include some other fields, then we should be clicking on the new button there. So I have a capability to select data type. Suppose I want to show something like the student is active or not. Okay, they are like registered or not, like that. I want to track those information in the is active field. So I will be taking the data type as checkbox, and I should be clicking next. And here I can give field label as is active, and it will be like automatically it will come here. And default value is unchecked. Like the field, suppose I want to create a record. Okay, I'll show that later, but default value is unchecked here. And later I'll go to the next. Yeah, this is visible to this. This field is currently visible to this. If you make this as read only, then this field, like we can't able to enter the values to this. It will be like read only field. But I want to enter the value, so I will just give it as visible, and it will be adding on the layout. We do have only the standard layout now because we didn't create much layout, other layouts here. So let it be, and I'm clicking on save here. Done. So now I created a custom object, and I created one field in that. And let me create one record as well. So what I need to do now is, we do have here the app launcher. Okay, so once you click on this, yeah, this is a app launcher. So I will be searching for the sales happier. Yeah, I got it now. So we have created a object, right? So but we are not seeing here as a tab that object. So where it will be there is, it is like once you click on more, it the other objects that are there in this application will be there here. So once you select this, yeah, we will get that list view, but I don't have any records, right? So what I can do is like I should be clicking on new here. Yeah, this is the new record that I want to enter. So what I can enter is Bhavani, student name, okay, and I want to make it as active student. So I'll click on save. Yeah, this record is saved, and this is a page layout. Okay, so we what we learned today is regarding the application, like how we need to open that application and how we need to open the object manager, like the objects where will be storing he is the object manager. And once we select any particular object, we will be getting all the details like fields, page layouts, like other details as well. For now, as we are like learning from the basics, we for now let me like we'll learn about only the fields. Okay.